the OutIn Nano step-by-step guide for capsules. Remove the cup from the bottom of the Nano and unscrew the portafilter. Take out the capsule adapter. Place your Nespresso or Nespresso-compatible capsule firmly into the capsule adapter. Insert the capsule adapter back into the portafilter and screw the portafilter tightly back on the OutIn Nano. Lift the lid off the top of the Nano and add hot or cold water. Place the lid back securely and continue with hot or cold water extraction. Enjoy!